Hi, Daft Scots Lass here, and today I'm going to vlog you about. That actually sounds a bit dirty. I'm going to vlog you. Uh, Instead of vlogging, I'm going to do a video about the fact that I've given up cigarette smoking. Now, most of you will know that it's day 4 for me, nicotine free. Thank you very much. And I just wanted to thank you guys for all your words of encouragement. Some of you guys left comments about what I should substitute my cigarettes with. Some of you guys said gum. Some of you said that I should try the e-cigarette. I have got the e-cigarette, but what's the point? I want to sort of break the habit of actually the whole mouth sucking thing. Um, so yeah, I don't see the point, and it's got nicotine in it. So that is why I want to give up. It's not good for your health. It makes your skin bad. You smell dirty. You smell disgusting. Your clothes smell. Everything is just horrid. Anyway, so I've substituted my cigarette smoking for my crusty cup of tea, and it seems to be working at the moment. I think that's going to be a different story when my friends get together and we open the bottle of wine and you know, I think then it's going to be a real test. And another reason why I'm vlogging about it is because I reckon the more people I tell about my quitting smoking, the more of an asshole or a douchebag that I'll look if I do light one up. They're all going to be saying, told you so, you couldn't do it, you're a useless fucker, and all of that. So, yeah, that's why I'm doing the vlog actually, and the main reason why I'm giving up smoking, not just because it stinks and it's dirty and it's a filthy habit, but my mum was diagnosed with emphysema last month, and just seeing her and how she's having to deal with the disease is not happy at all. So that's the main reason. Anyway, I was going to do this whole symbolic thing about taking this ugly, stinky, dirty packet of cigarettes and snapping the cigarettes in two, but I did that on the previous vlog that I did, so I don't actually have any cigarettes left to do that with. I've got wee bits, if you want to do the wee bits. Let's do it anyway. Symbolic, again, oh God, all over my keyboard and in my teeth. Oh. Anyway, so there goes the cigarette. Bye. And oh, that was my sunglasses. So wish me luck for the next few days. I'll be keeping you posted about how it's going. Yeah, no, I just want to thank you guys again for all your words of encouragement. I know I'm doing the right thing. It's just I hope I can stick to it and not look a complete asshole when I do put one in my mouth and suck it. I really don't want to, but I'm gonna try my hardest. Anyway, see you soon. Bye.